After removing the carburetor from the generator, prepare the required tools: a 10mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and an air blow gun for internal cleaning. First, remove the carburetor float bowl screws. When removing the float bowl, pay close attention to the gasket and sealing washer to avoid damage or misplacement. Next, remove the float bowl carefully. Take out the float pin, then remove the float and needle valve assembly. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the main jet from the carburetor. After removing the main jet, take out the emulsion tube. Use the air blow gun to thoroughly clean all internal passages and fuel channels inside the carburetor body. Make sure to direct compressed air through each fuel passage and jet opening to remove any dirt, fuel residue, or blockage. Continue cleaning the air passages and internal carburetor chamber to ensure proper airflow and fuel delivery. After cleaning is completed, reinstall the retaining clip. Next, clean the emulsion tube and main jet individually. Once cleaned, reinstall the emulsion tube with the smaller end facing downward. Reinstall the main jet with the opening facing upward and tighten it securely. Now clean the float and needle valve assembly. Install the needle valve back onto the float, align the assembly with the mounting position, and reinstall the float pin. Reinstall the float bowl. Please ensure the float bowl bolt and drain tube are aligned in the same direction during installation. Finally, reinstall and tighten the mounting screws. At this point, the carburetor cleaning procedure is complete.